Namaste, habari zenu, sanu, hi, salute, wagwan. My name is called Moses Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Now, before you dismiss, we are going to talk about ways in which you can make money online using Chatgpt. So stick around so that you can jot down notes on how to make use of this open AI called Chatgpt. Now, if you are serious, you can earn up to $1,000 per day using this free software known as Chatgpt. And remember, this Chatgpt is not going to stay for longer. So take your pen and paper or a pencil and paper and then write down these notes step by step that I'm going to show you today. So the first method that we are going to talk about is writing article. Now, to write article, you can use Chatgpt to write this article. And Chatgpt can help you to write an SEO articles in which you can publish on the internet. Can be on Tumblr, on Facebook, on X, on every platform. You can also upload these articles on your website. Now, to make money on this article writing, you must have to spend some little time to learn some skills on how to set a website, because we shall be taking these written articles and then post them into our website, in which this website will be generating money from ads revenue or transactional links. Now also we have other chances that you can make money using Chatgpt. For example, if you go to Facebook, there are groups that are seeking for those people to write blogs, article writing. You can use the power of AI to generate articles and then post or submit those articles to those people or those clients who wants you to write articles for them. And also you can join another website, which is a freelancer website. That website is called Fiverr and Upwork. You can join those websites and then join as a freelancer writer. And then you can write blog posts, articles for those clients, and they pay a good amount of money there on those websites. Now, the next way in which you can earn money using Chatgpt is through brand agencies. Now, brand agencies, these are a business that helps other businesses to create their brandings. These branding businesses might help them to choose business name, create logo, and make websites for them, and statement about who they are. And this Chatgpt can do that job as fast as possible. You can just give Chatgpt a prompt and ask Chatgpt to write or suggest for you a website name. So my lovely friends, there are many ways in which you can use Chatgpt. You can use Chatgpt to create ebooks. Then you can launch them on Amazon KDP. Now, before you start writing an ebook, you need to define a niche. And once you have that niche, you can start creating ebook, particularly to that niche that you have jotted down. Now, if you choose a niche, make sure to stick on that niche. Don't mix. For example, you can choose a finance niche or you can choose health niche. Don't mix that niche with lifestyle. So after you have jotted down that niche, you can use this AI to help you to create headings, subheadings, and titles. Now, and the best thing here is that you can twist what Chatgpt has given to you. Don't rely on the information that Chatgpt is going to give you. You can twist it because that book belongs to you. You have the right to twist things around. And the good thing with Chatgpt is that any prompt that you give it or any correction that you give that Chatgpt will follow according to the rule that you have given to that Chatgpt. Now, after you have finished writing your book, you can now publish it into Amazon KDP. And make sure before you publish, check plagiarism and grammar check, because there is an AI detector that will detect your ebook. It might be rejected. But if you pass through plagiarism and grammar check, you will be approved by Amazon KDP. And once approved, your book will be live at Amazon KDP, and you will start making money from this ebook. Now, another easy way to make money online with the Chatgpt is to open a faceless YouTube channel. This Chatgpt has got GPTs, such as in video, that you can create AI videos without struggle, without going to camera or using your voice. And you can monetize these contents on YouTube. And also there are many ways in which you can make money using Chatgpt. On this video, I've just jotted down a few ways in which you can make money on GPT in 2024. So please, if you've liked this video, let me know in the comment section. And also please make sure to like this video. When you like this video, it helps for YouTube algorithm. It suggests this video to other people who want to make money online. And I told you, 2024 is our year. We want to make a good amount of money online. So God bless you from US here.